Okay, hey there everybody. So in this short video, you can see the bunch of screens going on here, right? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to construct logged variables as well as polynomial variables in eviews 11. The techniques are similar for other software platforms. So let's hop right into that. So I recorded this other video here. So we've got eviews 11 open. I apologize, I have to do these in two different places due to various software. So you see I've hopped into GENR, which is to generate a series by equation. I then am going to grab, I'm going to name my new variable ln price in this case. It's C price for corrected price. And I'm going to make that equal to the log parentheses C price. Okay, and we can see that that new variable then has been generated there, ln C price, which is the logged value of that original variable. Okay, you could hit generate again. So I'm going to generate another equation, essentially the same idea as the previous one, but this time we're going to create a polynomial style relationship, particularly the squared style relationship. So these are all applicable to different functional forms, right? So if we depending on how we think the variable should relate to the dependent variable, we may wish to want to do this. Oh, okay, so my apologies. Looks like I'm going to create two or three logged ones first. So you can see I created another logged one there, and then it shows up down there in my list of variables. And let's see here. So we're going to generate a third equation. Okay, so this one is the one that we're going to square, because this is a distance in this case. This is my housing data from before, from about 5 years ago. I'll talk a little later about why I'm using this data all the time, but this is distance to some amenities that the house is located at, and maybe we think that isn't a linear relationship, and we want to test the squared relationship for whatever reason. So I can say that distance squared, which is what I'm going to name my new variable, is equal to the value of distance times distance. Okay, and then again you see in my variable list I have distance squared now as well. So right here, boosh. Okay, and that's how you do this, right? And the reason why you would want to do this is because, of course, linear regression requires that the estimated regression equation be linear, right? But sometimes the relationships of our independent variables, or the hypothesized relationship of our independent variables to our dependent variable is not linear, and so we would need to make that adjustment. So, for example, if we feel sort of the relationship something like this, then we need to have a logged relationship. If we think, maybe something like this, right, then we need a polynomial style relationship. And so we can take our existing data and we can convert it into these nonlinear relationships in a very straightforward manner by using the generate function in eviews 11. Okay, thanks everybody. See you again next time. Bye.